Hey guys, today we're playing with snow.
All right, so this is what it looks like today. It's really very stormy
It's like 5 inches.
snowstorm. So I'm here with the kids, having fun on the snow, and I'm having to push Nora here. So I'm gonna push Nora on her sleds right there. And we are here only in our backyard, so not really on the mountains. All right, so I'm gonna pull Nora. Oh!
Wow! That's bubbles behind you. That was fun riding on the sled. Yeah. My face coated in the snow. Now my face is cold and wet. And look at your face. Same as me.
All right. Now can you follow? Can you guys follow me?
Yeah.
Oh, I was pulling you. So, how cold is it today?
Very cold. 10 degrees. 30. Daddy, pull me. Daddy, pull me. You know I'm filming. I know. Why you're on my sled in snow? Go faster. Oh, wait. No, not yet, Bubba. Yeah. It's slippery. Huh? I can't go fast. I need some help.
fun, huh? Nice.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.